everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply false lashes step by step. This is a beginner friendly video, and I know I've done this video before, but it had a horrible sound. So I was thinking I need to upload a new one, and I've been especially influenced to do this by Kate from the Small Things blog. A lot of you are here thanks to her. She did an Insta story, I'll leave her link down below, where she was trying to get those magnetic lashes to work, and she said they were horrible. I get a lot of questions about those lashes, and I think without even testing them, I think they're not a good idea. Anyways, I thought I should do another video and tell you exactly step by step how I customize, how I glue them, what tools I use, how do I cut them, how do I measure them, how do I make them stay, how do I make them not to be uncomfortable and to just forget that I'm wearing them. All these details you get in this video. So before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and click on the ring bell button. This way you'll be notified every time I'm posting a new video. So let's get started. I want you to know that even though I'm a makeup artist, I still struggle on applying my own false lashes. So if this is a little bit intimidating for you, I know what you feel, okay? I can do it perfectly and with no problems on a client, but when it comes to me, it's hard. You know, you have to see exactly where you apply it, but this is why I'm here for, right? There are so many lashes right now on the market. Oh my God, there's so many and so inexpensive. Like literally, you could get lashes with like $1. But today I'm going to show you how to apply these lashes. These are velour mink lashes, and just wait, they're cruelty-free, okay? So don't panic. These are amazing. I bought them at IMATS, not exactly this pair, but I've worn them before and they are so comfortable. When you're a beginner, this is what you want. You want to get lashes with a clear band. Now, what they say, by the way, this style is called Imagine. They're 100% cruelty-free mink, an innovative cotton band for easy application, 25 uses on average per pair. And you know what? If I am using a pair of normal lashes, like $10 lashes, if I'm using them for like 15 times, I can guarantee you that I can get at least 20 times out of this. So once you got lashes, you make sure that you have a pair of tweezers. Tweezers like this are perfectly fine. And then also scissors. And also you need a glue. I'm usually using the Duo, but I got this one at IMATS. I want to try it, so this is the velour adhesive for lashes. So the first thing that you want to do when you get your lashes, you need to be very, very careful on how you take them from this support right here, because they're very fragile, so you don't want to break them. The first thing that I do, I know it's going to look a little bit like crazy, but I actually do this movement. So I just loosen up a little bit, but I make sure, you know, that it's not going to break this beautiful pair of lashes. So after I did this, you see that it got a little bit more straight. This is exactly what I wanted. Sometimes the lashes have a mind of their own, and you are trying to apply them, and they already have a shape that is a little bit too round, so then it's going to bother you in here or in here. Lashes are so much more comfortable after you use them a few times, so don't throw your lashes away after you've applied them. Even if they're very cheap ones, just keep them for the next time. Immediately after I do this step, I take the lash and I try it. I've got really small eyes here, and I don't have a lot of space in here, so I need to know exactly how much I need to cut, because most of the lashes are bigger so that it every single shape. So if you have small eyes like me, then you need to cut them. So I just look in the mirror. I didn't put any glue yet. I just want to see if they're good for me. And you can already tell that this pair, it's way too big for me. You see how they're a little bit smaller here and longer at the outer corner? Yes. Well, you never want to cut your lashes on the inner corner because it's just going to look very ridiculous. Trust me, I've tried it. So where you want to cut it, you want to cut the outer corner, okay? So you want to cut it from here. Not when you have it on your eye, before, okay? Oh, and by the way, you never cut the length of the hairs in the lash. I try one more time. I can see pretty much where the lash needs to be. I rather cut 2 times than cutting too much from the first time. So I'm just going to cut this part, this last pieces of like group of hairs right here. You see? The last one, I'm gonna cut it. Okay, now I am going to try the lashes again to see if this time they would fit. I know they look a little bit too long, but once I put them on, you will see they actually work. Now it's time for the actual glue. Do you mind if I keep this on? I don't have any contact lenses with me, so stupid, I know, very stupid. This adhesive has a brush, which is very, very useful actually. So I'm just applying the glue on this band, and I apply a little bit more at the inner corner and a little bit at the outer corner. And I wait for the lashes to dry. This glue needs to be tacky. So I leave it for about, I don't know, maybe 60 seconds with the mirror in front of me. I'm going to place the lash. First place the middle. You see, I just leave it like that. Then I take the outer corner and I place it right at the end of my lashes. And with the tweezers, I don't know if you can see, I glue them together, the false one with my natural lashes. On the inner corner, here's what I do. And I place this right on top. And I hold this for a second like this. Again, I press them together. I'll take the other one because I think it's more. Oh yeah, this is so much more useful. Then I just come and press them together like this. Okay, this is my very first time using this glue, but I can tell you, so far, it's amazing. When you're doing with a client, if you're a makeup artist, you can just use your fingers. This is also a very good tip if you are a beginner. Just use your fingers to like get in there. Press the lashes together like this. Now, I am not being disturbed by this line in this moment. But if I am, I will take a liquid liner and I will just come with a very thin line just to cover that. It's just a really thin eyeliner trick. I can tell you this. I can still feel them, but I can promise you this. In 15 minutes, I forget that I have them. What made me better at actual applying lashes? Practice. Now, let me do the other lash before I look completely dumb. Alright guys, this was it. Now maybe I should do a video on how to take them off. Please let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Now, subscribing is optional, but if you enjoy this kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and please click on that ring bell button. This way you will be notified every time I'm posting a new video. If you want to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. But why? Some oil. I don't want you pissed. Stay with me. Calm. Breathe. I'll kill you. I don't. I'm just kidding. A word.